Hello students, myself Mrs. Tanuja Dhiren Yagnik. Here I welcome you for the second session of the video, that is the Maratha War of Independence Standard 7 History. In last video, children, we had taken information about the Maratha War of Independence. In that, we had studied the Maratha War of Independence, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. We had also taken information about Aurangzeb's invasion of Deccan. Then we had taken information about Campion against Siddhi, Campion against Portuguese, and how Adil Shahi and Qutub Shahi was ended. Now in this second video of this lesson, we are going to study the following points. Administration of Sambhaji Maharaj, death of Sambhaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. We are also going to take information about Rajaram Maharaj, how he lives for Jinji, how the siege of Jinji took place, estimate of Chhatrapati Rajaram, and afterwards at the end we are going to take information about Maharani Tarabai. So let's start with administration of Sambhaji Maharaj. While fighting on many fronts, Sambhaji Maharaj did not neglect his administrative responsibilities. He gave administrative powers to Maharani Yasubai. He continued the legacy of Shivaji Maharaj of prompt justice, fair revenue, and welfare of the people. Let's take information about death of Sambhaji Maharaj. Mukarrab Khan was in charge of Kolhapur province. He captured Sambhaji Maharaj at Sangameshwar. On the order of Aurangzeb, Sambhaji Maharaj was brutally put to death on 11th March 1689. It was very unpleasant, unpleasant experience in history. You might have seen this on the television serial Sambhaji Raje, which was in Marathi. That there also they had shown how Sambhaji Maharaj was brutally put to death. He faced death without compromising his self-respect. The Marathas took inspiration from his sacrifice and intensified their fight against the Mughals. This is all about Sambhaji Maharaj, then his administrative skills, and then how he met with the death. Let's have information about Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. Rajaram Maharaj, the second son of Shivaji Maharaj, was born on 24th of February 1670 on Raigad. He became Chhatrapati after the death of Sambhaji Maharaj. Zulfikar Khan had besieged Raigad and the entire royal family was on Raigad. It was risky to be at the same place. It was decided that Maharani Yasubai should continue to defend Raigad and Rajaram Maharaj should escape and go to Jinji. This event displays greatness of Maharani Yasubai that she consented to make Rajaram Chhatrapati. She ensured his safety by making his leave Raigad. She took upon herself the responsibility of defending Raigad without regard to her own life and that of her own son. Rajaram Maharaj lives for Jinji. After escaping from siege, Rajaram Maharaj went to Jinji fort in far south with his trusted Sardars. In the meanwhile, the Mughals captured Raigad fort and arrested Maharani Yasubai and Prince Chau. Aurangzeb had enticed many Maratha Sardars by giving them Watan and Jahagirs. The same tactics were used by Rajaram Maharaj to thwart the Mughal plan. Many Maratha Sardars who were promised Jahagir fought with vigor and defeated Mughal generals. They harassed the Mughal army by guerrilla tactics. Santaji Ghorpade and Vithoji Chauhan cut and carried away the golden pinnacle of the emperor's tent in the surprise attack. Let's take information about siege of Jinji. Zulfikar Khan led siege to Jinji fort. The Marathas defended the fort for nearly 8 years. Rajaram Maharaj escaped from Jinji and returned to Maharashtra. The return of Rajaram Maharaj gave a boost to Marathas. They attacked Mughal territories of Khandesh, Warad, and Baglan. He motivated many Maratha warriors to protect the Swaraj. After a short illness, Rajaram Maharaj died at Sinhagad on 2nd March 1700. Let's take information about estimate of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. Rajaram Maharaj provided leadership to the Marathas in fight against Aurangzeb for 11 years under very difficult circumstances. He managed to unite Maratha Sardars by his kind and accommodative nature. He was a level-headed person. This is all about Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj. Let's take information about Maharani Tarabai. Maharani Tarabai, the capable wife of Rajaram Maharaj, came forward to lead of Maratha War of Independence. Contemporary Mughal historian Khalif Khan described her as an intelligent and knowledgeable woman. The Marathas went deep inside the Mughal territory outside Maharashtra in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Malwa. She fought for 7 years and kept the Maratha kingdom strong. The death of Aurangzeb in 1707 at Ahmednagar marked the end of Maratha War of Independence, wherein they emerged victorious. They occupied the vacuum in the political arena during the 18th century, described as on the centuries of the Marathas. So this is all about Maharani Tarabai. So in this way children, in this video we had taken information about administration of Sambhaji Maharaj. Then we had also taken information about Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, how Rajaram Maharaj lives for Jinji, then how siege of Jinji took place, then estimate of Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj, and at the end we had taken information about Maharani Tarabai. After this, I am going to give you the small assignment which you are going to write in your classwork notebook. Till that time, bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.